You guys are welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. Just a reminder, this is not like a buy or sell signals here. Um, I do this for educational purposes. That way we can all learn how to day trade together, guys. If you have any thoughts or any input, by all means, drop that in the comments and we'll discuss that. If you have a chart that you want, if you have a chart that you want us analyze together, you can put that in the comments as well. For now, I'm watching FUSE in the last hour, basically, because each candle here, guys, each candle is 15 minutes. It has been trying to break 143. Once it breaks and maintains itself above it for maybe a couple of minutes, I think we'll see price action that will take it all the way to test that 180 area. So let's see what happens. So you guys, that's why we have to always wait for confirmation. See, like without confirmation, that 143 now it looks so shiny, and how that, like, when you go to a car auction and you see the car that's clean and shiny and it's all beautiful, right? But that makes you like less due diligence on the car because it looks nice, it looks beautiful. I have to do my own due diligence all the time and wait for confirmation. And I looked at it on the 15-minute candle. Each candle here is 15 minutes, guys. It never broke after, above this level here, even though like that level is almost like aligning with VWAP here. But it never broke above that level, right? Like you see it right there, that 145. You see how many times it got rejected over it. So basically now I can just watch it, and basically that confirmation there saved my money. Basically, saved me from losing money because it looked so nice. It looked like it was gonna break, basically. So let's see. No break. I'm not gonna enter honestly, but you guys do you. As always, this is not a financial advice. I'm just breaking the charts and sharing my own thoughts with you guys. But if I were to trade this, it would have to confirm over that line, basically. All right, guys, welcome, welcome. We are going to analyze this. I'm going to do it live in front of you guys and chart it up. That way, we both learn how to do it. If you ever see like join my live sessions and see like that I have lines on the chart, as you can see, there's nothing on it right now. Okay, so I start with the weekly chart and I start spotting patterns. And the pattern that I always look for is when the chart tries to break down a certain level, and then once it breaks, it has basically like a struggle candle. I could see that I'm way up there, way up there. So we're not gonna reach $7,000 today, guys. That's just impossible. And that tells you that this company had gone through a lot of RSs in the past, basically. And we can confirm that here. Corpse action splits. Yeah, we can do that at like 1 for 40, 150. Yeah, they have gone through RSs. So, and you can see that same line that it got rejected here, it got tested here. Now, let's go back on the daily. I just wanted to show you the principle behind this, guys, okay? So, I'm going to show you here. Let's see, let's look. This is very intriguing because I want you to look at this line right here, okay? So, we're looking on the daily here. We're looking at it wanted to come down below it on on January 13th, January 14th, then it started testing the line on, I want to make sure I'm not on mute. I'm not, there's no music. Perfect. That's like day after day, right? It tries to break down below it. The day that it does, that same day, it tries to break above it and it just couldn't do it. So we know that 1968 is extremely important for our chart analysis, right? Then let's go down and see if we can spot the same pattern on the daily chart. Hmm, I'm not sure if this is actually it. So let's look on the 4 hours, okay? Let's look on the 4 hours and see if we can spot us something, guys. Come on, the chart is kind of slowing down on me. Okay, let's see on the 4 hours, guys. Obviously, we can see that. And let's see here. Okay, right there, guys. Right here. I mean, typically, I like it when the line is literally aligning exactly where that rejection candle is. But I'm gonna leave this rejection candle on from February 4th. I'm gonna leave that in there too at 1580. Okay. Let's look down the road now, further down. Let's look for this level, guys. Here, let me show you. Look how it tried to break down below. So we go back on the 4th, just the day, literally the same day, right? Tries to break down, and when it broke on the 5th, the next day, that rejection candle at 1080, something is very important. And we can go and go and do the same thing over and over, guys. Just every time we go down, try to look for that struggle candle. Every time. There's no struggle candles here that I see very clear, honestly. Let me see. Let's look on the 2 hours, maybe. Hold on, let's do that and do that really quick, okay? Let's do the 2 hour chart. Hmm. Okay, let's look. I'm looking at this right here, and I think that could be a nice one there because look, I want to show you the rejection candle, guys, on June on June 30th, right there. You see how it tried to break down below these levels, or maybe break above it, but it wanted to come down. It didn't really stay that long trying to break it down because it broke it down from the first two candles, like the first 4 hours. But it struggled to get back above it here. And then you could see that this became almost like a support resistant area. So let's just look on the 30 now, okay? In theory, there's no way that there's no stop areas between $7 to $10, right? So we're gonna have to go back and see where we can find those areas. Can we find one here? Let's see. I think I found it. Let's see here, guys. Right there. Exactly. Because you can see it was trying to break above it, and then it was trying to break below it, and then we struggled here. June 30th at 5:30. This candle right here is very important at 960. Okay? So, do we find another level? Maybe we could do this here. Yep, we could do the 770 right there. All these levels help us find better confirmation for our trades, and I'm gonna explain how, guys. Okay, now that I have it ready, now that I have the lines ready, what we'll do is We'll go back on the 4 hours. Let me just go back on the weekly and put it back on the 5 minutes here. Now that we have the lines, basically my plan, if I were to trade this, would be it has to break above 780, maintain above 780, and if that happens, we could see a gap fill all the way to 9. That's right there. So I hope that what I did made sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I truly hope that this live session is truly about education and not like blindly taking advice from someone. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. By all means, I will answer. As long as it's not like, hey, do I buy this or sell this here? I'm not going to answer those. But I'll answer your questions if you want to know how I charted this chart or how I find the struggle candles. Those candles are extremely important, guys. So now we're going to watch this. This is the plan. Build above 780, goes to 9-ish. So let's see what happens. And I'm going to play some music. We're going to watch the chart and see if it plays out. Okay, I'm going to put a banner on there if that way the people that join know what we're watching and all that stuff. But I'm going to play some music. I'm home. The kids are around me, so there's a lot of back noise. I'm going to eliminate that. I'm going to put it on mute and play some music for you guys. Just general music. It's not the best, I know. But let's watch the chart and see if that plays out. You guys can see if we look on, let me just put the music down a little bit. You guys can see if we basically count the candles using the minute frame, right, to make sure that we have confirmation, we have one candle and two only above that line. Not a single third, fourth candle. It had to be minimum 3 to 5. And that really, all these confirmation zones, guys, really avoid us from losing money, um, and confirm trades for us. So maybe it'll go back up, maybe it'll do it again. But for now, the fact that it didn't stay above that line for 3 consistent minutes tells me we have weak price action on this one. So if it goes back above that line and builds minimum 3 minute candles, maybe better 5, just to make sure better confirmation, then by all means, it could be a good trade there. We'll see. Let's watch. again, we can see, guys, if and that's why I start looking for entry only, or for myself, right, on the line, on the confirmation line. I could start, if you see, like, there's only 2 minutes above that 780 line, right? And if you watch me trade, I always wait for minimum 3 to 5. Like, even three, I would be like, maybe like risking it a little bit. But 5 minutes of stabilized price action above confirmation lines basically tells us a story. Tells us that whoever is has whoever with the deep pocket, with the money, is basically absorbing all these sell orders. Makes sense. Um, and I'm sorry if I'm keeping my tone down a little bit. I'm home. I'm trying to keep it down a little bit. Next week I'll be back to the office. So let's watch. Let's see what happens. If I find another one, we'll go from there. You guys, price action has been very choppy today. It really has. Um, just choppy action, and I think it has to do with that PDT ruling. Anyone in the market now could come in with $2,000 and start shorting and whatever and taking scalps, you know. But let's go, man. We need that. We need that move. You guys, as you can see in the banner that I'm displaying up there, our ITR, actually, I analyzed it this morning for a confirmation above 28. And you can see on the chart, the first time that it did confirm here, it went all the way to 39, basically, right? And you can look, you can see that it didn't take that long for confirmation here. Probably by the third candle, it was already up on that 35. So we know now the behavior of this one that we probably not going to be like 3 to 5 candles before we see the move. This is the second candle now above that 28 line. So maybe at the third one, let's see what happens here. Okay. You guys obviously see why I have those confirmation lines because look at UPC. Confirmation was, if you look at it here, just retrospectively, guys, I want to show you how those lines save us from losing money, okay? Or and confirm trades for me, myself personally. Confirmation was a 780, okay? Count how many minutes above 780 we have. One, that's a complete minute right here. And two, a third minute really don't. So that is not a confirmation for me. That's actually something that saved me from losing money. Makes sense? So we'll go back and look at our ITR. As I mentioned, the first time that we did it, it didn't really take that long to confirm and move all the way to mid 30s, like one, two, the third candle took it above there. So we were like, okay, maybe three candles here, right? And obviously it did. So we got one, two, and the third. By the fourth, we went like up almost 15% to 32. So that is another good trade. I'm not gonna take credit for it. I'm not here to take credits, guys, because I'm not giving you like buy and sell signals. But I'm trying to show you guys those confirmation lines do actually confirm the trade for me, and they do save me a lot of times from just entering trades that they look shiny like cars at an auction. They look clean and shiny, right? But they're not ready, and that's where we're at. I'm gonna put it back on mute and play some music. If I find me something else, guys, we will play it out. Okay. So going by the same principle, guys, let's watch the line at 1990 on MGN here. We're literally testing it right now, testing VWAP. We need to build minimum 3 candles on the minute chart above it. And if that happens, we'll see a move to the 22 and maybe to the 25 on this run. So let's see. Again, complete candles above that line. Like they have to. And if you want to like do it manually, you can just look here at the time and look at every single order for okay, so it's now 9:53 in California. So I need to have it by 9:56, basically 9:57, completely above 20, basically. Let's see. Any order below 20 will indicate weakness on this chart. Okay, let's watch. You see how we have an order and orders that sold below that line? Nope, that stops the thesis, guys. It has to be. Now we're gonna have to restart. We're gonna have to count one more time now, okay? We have to maintain it above it. And I know this needs a lot of patience. So you guys are watching that raw, right? You're watching the patience and everything. You guys can see that did not confirm. It did not confirm above that 1980 line. Not even a single candle above it. See, I'm sorry I get too close to the camera. I'm trying to see the charts and everything. But yeah, not a single candle above it. Weak price action. Not gonna touch it for now, okay? So let's watch other ones. I mean, I'm still gonna watch it. It's on like I'll watch the price action here from the side. Same for UPC. It had to confirm above 780. It never did. 1, 2, the third it fell. Right. So nope. Now watching this here. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's actually a very good confirmation. You know what? I'm gonna take my risk on this a little bit. What are we doing if we're not risking a little bit? You know. And I don't know if you guys would believe that, but I actually bought this below, I think, 8 cents on Friday, Friday afternoon. And now I'm going to trade it and rebuy it. And that's day trading dreams for you guys. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I bought it here, I think, like here, like below 7, 8. And I sold it this morning. But now I want to see if I can find me better confirmation here. And I look 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth minute is still above that line. I think we're gonna go test that line again. I truly do. Let's see. All right.
Are all the mini dumplings in the mall like these?
I mean, not all of them. You want to try one today?
Yeah.
We will. Okay, let me finish working first.
We have to go office first.
Yeah, we'll go to the office.
And then tires.
Then go switch some tires. Yes.
And then mall.
And then mall. Yes, my love. But let me work now, okay?
Okay.
I love you. Because I'm using the background for my office, but I'm home, okay? Kids are on summer break. They go back to school next week. So until then, I'm doing the live streams from home, you know? So you guys, thank you for watching. And technically speaking, right, confirmation line above 28 has confirmed because I have one. Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like almost 8 candles above that line. Yeah, it may dip a little bit down, but I think because of this confirmation, we are going to see another move into the mid 30s. And that's just my only opinion, guys. And let's watch and see if this actually theory plays through. Okay. I'm going to remove UPC from the watch because it fell way below that 780 line, so there's no need for it to be there. I'll keep an eye on it. Also, MGN, I'll add it to the line right here, okay? So I'm gonna play some music, put the mic on mute, save you guys from the back noise, and I'm here. And if you have any charts that you think needs to be on there for us to all analyze and look at, by all means, send them my way. Let's go. You know, guys, that's why confirmations and lines are so important in day trading, guys. And I can't tell you because of the SEC rules when I entered, when I exited, but most likely I always enter when I have confirmation above the lines. And sometimes I don't wait all the way for my gap fill. I don't know, but that's the potential gap fill. But if I see my goal for the trade, my goal for this trade maybe was 10%, and I already got it. So we'll see. But I think it's still gonna fill that gap into that area there. So congratulations. And if you have any questions, let me know. By all means, I'm here to just kind of like analyze the charts in front of you guys and show you my theses and how I trade, and hopefully you'll be able to like adapt this into your own trading rather than just copy someone online. That's just the worst. If you guys are copying someone just because you think they know, it's just terrible. You cannot succeed in the market that way. You're gonna have to establish your own lines, do your own due diligence, your own charting. Only when you put the work, when you actually put the work forward, um, you get paid by the market. You get compensated for that work. But if you just follow someone blindly, I don't know about that. Let's go almost to that gap, guys. So if you have any questions, if you don't know how I put the lines, watch the stream. It's been live for 4 hours, 15 minutes, and 41 seconds now. You know, not the best streams, honestly. We didn't find a lot of opportunities. I didn't analyze a lot of charts. The first hour was choppy. Like, it was just not the best stream. But as far as results, that's all that matters. إذا الحمام ما بجوز إذا. You guys, even though it didn't, even though if it doesn't, and I think it will, but even if it doesn't go all the way to that gap fill zone that I pointed on the chart, if you think about the math here, once I confirmed it, and I did mention that multiple times that it has confirmed because we counted so many candles here, guys, like those candles right here. This is the confirmation above the line right here, right? It went from let's say 29 to 33. Mathematically speaking, that's over 10% for a day trade. That's just an amazing day trade on its own, right there. You know. You guys, again, I'm muting this because I'm home.
لا 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 حبيبي ما في شيء.
That's
صراحة
why.
إيش
Again, guys, that's why I have this on mute. Like, the kids are here for summer break. A lot of back noise. But the mission's still the same, you know? If I find some, just 1 second. Sorry, guys, I was just in the middle of the sentence. But anyway, yeah, so let's watch and see what happens for this analysis, guys. I think we're gonna still fill that gap there. I'm gonna keep the live stream open until we get there. Um, but honestly, you could, like, if you watch it, if you scroll back like maybe 30 minutes or an hour, you can hear me and see me say that it confirmed above this line because we had multiple candles that built above it, right? And if you want to see how I determine those lines on the charts, you can also watch the recording of this live stream. Um, I'm gonna leave it there, and you can watch it, and maybe I'll like edit some clips and post it online. But I always post the unedited live stream on YouTube, guys. Like, you'll see it there, unedited, raw, wins and losses, everything there. You know. But let's watch what happens. What happens here? I'm sorry. You guys, as you can see, I'm literally zoning out. I need to take me a break. I've been live for 4 hours and 40 minutes. But hey, the theory is still the same. Even though it is from the confirmation line, it's up already 10% from there, but I still think it's going to fill that gap. So you guys can watch it and see it and see if that analysis plays out. If you have any questions, please let me know. Follow, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.